It's right here.
Not that far off the beach, but already
No, but when they
we
went a
are
lot of
getting
things.
very close to 1,000 foot of water. We're just on the shore side of a pretty incredible cliff. So we're 700 to 200 foot right about here. About 1,000. Get that all mixed together, kickstarts the whole food chain. That is why we have Dolphin Lakeside up here year round, because of that cliff. So we have to drop off. We're probably going to get much deeper. We're going to probably get around 2,300 foot. We're never going to leave sight of this. In fact, if you see those hills, straight up over 12, 10 feet or so, those hills, that's about 1,000 foot. So you're going to be 2.5 on the side of that hill. Now, if you come on the Dolphin, you can see there these beautiful colors, sort of that olive on the top, on the